Ije n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mega yo kwego kia na matera nendo mwanchi mulielia nebiro binde to kwalgania asemesa ya mangana magia to kumanyeli agende to kolekana korwa chinsemo karibu sana asemesa ya mangana magia chinsesa to hirinde ngomanya sinchira yo wekirano yonsi naboko yabwati agwetera sensemeri mitandao Facebook na bogo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV liane kerubo Frida na baltoko bwaterana asoko ene kya chibi channel yogiria gukira sole asinchira ya benenere Barnabas Ndari na boigo Doreen Kemundo tiangu tranyara sinchira yo wenye
bebe nanyo teba mama bare condition getengo nyano gukwana aringe usinyukungwanira bati akondigere rituorera chendio kana ngo sabe serikali etokonye chundu bwatikende sahi tokorale mechi nyombe siekire ndubati
ya mataya mokuru mkuru kwa Ruben koganyo boene maega ye nyomba ya bogotongigwa
ebirero byane no gosarura kwane ntegete ko basarura nkiringa omutinyo yo January uguchikoera nalito kugikeli mona amangana cancer ya cervix eseke gusito goteba cancer yo morango
abana nchi ko boli gwa kolingoli gwa kenda bu oborero bwa cancer bu morango bwelirara moli
narusha maya narusha maya kienda polisi wanawaita
omokonyi bo muraibu ensomo korori gathigashagwa gosaga no asentu ndende ime ya uthaya karibu sana mwanchi mulie tosange asebonega guchaka bonega guika omoelio ya mateyemo eminyata sensemo ya mukuru kwa Ruben asamaga chamaya aboma yangu aiga Nairobi nigegendete kurira umwana obo we grade ya kane oyu hocharuka kurwali rongo lya gatano na kabere lie nyumba yabo maega yo mukagerwa asirieta Ronald Ngori Kotebekana koba umwanchi ngina kobeka enyumba yabo umuliro nyina bana abo Roslyn Mukaya no mwana oyo munyaruka w'imyaka 24 asirieta Joan Mora niko bagendete kurwanira ubugima bwabo asinye gitari ya Kenyatta maega yo gotigwa n'ekingoma chintindi cy'umuliro oyo mukagerwa bwega kolekyo nigabe kwa byara emambi ya lero ekirale gotema gotama wetera umubaga bw'ensi ya Kenya na Tanzania asensemo ya Namanga
Asamalie tanguru kwa Everino Woka chino musiko munena soyole nyakitari bana sinalengega sinalina chitwakirwe simisa 9 ya botuko kama mumino ba samberu nyomba nyakitari bayiriro ngaimoka ngakira mumro mintese ngamote ebu niambie ni nini nende hapo akaniambia hapa ni kubaya but Mary ameruka kwa dirisha ameumia ikabidi ngaimoka hizi saa 9 chiare ngasoka ngenda Kenyatta bebe nanyo aliteba mama bare condition getengo nyano gukwana aringe usinyukungwanira bati akondigere rituorera chendio kana ngo sabe serikali etokonye chundu bwatikende sahi tokorale mechi nyombe siekire ndubati asitokobera Yano lyo kare skule to sinyire kumweresa singinjonde singinjondo chenda mwati break na ne skuru na masoma yendreta notora na mumro mintu tokorale mechinyane gitokoli ne shida mama konyenero gotokonye tuwatia stogochi Ana bairi korunge bautu akirisi bautu tengo chabare bationde tayo to arore sai. But bari around na bako na gocha. But bana siba gocha ko be shida chumba ntubwati astoko bera nyentumu abandi to korara. Era como nyono koragera saa zingine nyone fea kwenda koraba abantu bari nyagitari abiri shida. Na hingo sabana serikali etokonya asa twanyorire tubwati option yende sai konyora tara maswera but arenge hote yabasani nechichirani egento kagenderete but tara maswera konyora
bona ari gusabia serikali noega abuna ntutogo chabuna gusabuna abantu bekiombe ntubwati noena asitogo isaransa chwe nyombe liesiekire tugatebu investigation yegokoru nyombe liemanye koiguru bona noena kero togocha abana betu abasabirete chichi amate alisi bakwenda Ruben bachi konyoro boraro abana ababande bane oyo munaro le school Sirunga Girls ole form 4 ababande batatu bona bana bambabwati noena asibakurara nutaka ko baletera noene chaye guse noena amache banyu asitayora abaletere bona rinde nali usabaga kia serikali tima idinchera kino ene serikali era arorenga abasubati ababale single mothers bono chu kiabeire no emusubati bono no eni nwe serikali mu maitenga ki guse mondo ta kunyara kobaigo egune gento buneke giapeniri atua ki serikali goteki no ene chinyombe chituma tene chi president yaito na tunashukuru sana na abaete nyumba muno abone ko musubati ona kanete nyumba almost a month lakini bone kabana umbali wa access nyumba yu mbamenye tio jabane nali kusabya serikali onye nyumba ndekere empty era aba meanwhile to kendrete ko bange merobeli ya omwana oyore motsali na maumu abu nali nyagitali
tangani gwakera serikali mbya mone sengenjo mumuro yo bwatiru na nari gusaba justice yakorekane musubati oyo nerurenge breadwinner otigira abana mbabwatiga se ibarwa bariko bakikoriga asibagusikianga wane mbabwati nona asibakurara noyo mitateba management eri ya affordable house onye mubwata no alternative house mobile sengenjo nyombeli gesiekire kegendete uchunguzi so we are appealing bakonyo muna ali asibari nyagitari chipiri cha chire igoro bana bambabwati onde okubakonya nari gusaba serikali kamin ebakonya bakirie chipiri chiri nabo igona abana bali omwana narore school boni go rasa secondary school nyina bono konya tabwati kende bono baire kere mama okaya nona sare ko gando chikorie kibaruosi beri onde chiango onyora kende bono mbabwa nari gusaba serikali renjero omwana wara akonyu banyora nole ne kwerende pasari asomera ko le school
Oskabasio abarai nigo bagendete gutarira chinsemo na kuralia obomo wikia magia ODM bunenchere yamo yogotinyo bokoreri wikia mekyo litkolia lero nigegati abarai wikia mekyo inse yoborai bwae Dr. Oburu Oginga amono mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati batwaro musangirekano na obwatani wikia mekyo iligo kwanera chinjera ekia mekyo kialiganitie bosibo bochoryo banene bo mwaka bwikiri bubere ngebere ne tano nebere naboigo gotinya emeli yekiamekyo Mulikito weekly forenge na mange
na segeti ya sameta ensemo yebunge yabasi e county ya Kisii abo asabara ya manaba watani aobeki magia ODM batwara hege karokia bane liko kwanera aya tetigwa se omukutano korekaneta se county ya Kilifi gurechi njere kia magia ODM kirachi kuyebanga kusibo bochore bonene bo mwaka bwechibira mangebere ne tane bere.
And on behalf of all the leaders of Gusii, both Nyamira and Kisii, tunakukaribisha hapa kwetu. Sisi tunapenda chama cha ODM, tunapenda viongozi wetu, na vile ambavyo unaona ndugu yetu Simbarati ametuweka vizuri. Sisi
kama UDA tumesema kwamba hatutasimamisha candidate wa gavana wetu wa
aso musangarakano yo ni gabarai aho banyorera bagari gukwana abwasa baro birengerero byabo abo asa bange bonsi banyaka bakomo mu senate ya county ya Siaya uyu nando rumora ekyamekyo ntenenera Oginga Odinga kogendera kora ekyamekyo.
This party was built very meticulously by my brother. He built it such that it is like a government. It has structures up to the grassroots. We have structures up the polling station, and this is a very strong party, and it is not a tribal party. It is a party for all Kenyans.
In the party and the moving forward. I've seen hyenas scavenging, thinking that the party will go down. It won't. That those who are calling us names, I want to assure you that this party, the party that we have built, the party myself I've known for 18 good years as a leader, it will not go down.
The delegates across the country to keep a bull's eye on the prize, so that when we send our party leader and very able men and women that will be on that table, what they come with for us as ODM party is an A game. Hatutaki D, hatutaki C.
Asenkwana mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati gasingirira bunani gabara ibonsi bekyamekyo obonete kongusiramo na kurusia okuwatana na kukwarrakanire kobegati yekyamekyo
kubwa Kenya hii, East Africa. Baba chairperson anasema east and north of Limpopo. Mimi nataka niseme hivi, watu wangu wa Kisii, najua kwamba kuna mambo mengi, lakini mkiniona mbele msiwe na wasiwasi. Niko na miaka, mnisikize.
Okobolia niko kwarugwa asabara ibonsi gwetanga kurua asogotume kwa gwechi agenda ikomiti okuigwana egati ya UDM moneke magia ODM buneke ni ya siasa chogwetana.
Hiyo kamati wanaendelea kufanya kazi. Hawajaleta ripoti yao, hawajatuambia wamekwama, hawajasema wamepata vizikiti, hawajasema hawana kitu ya kufanya. Tupatie kamati nafasi walete ripoti. Tusije tukachukua kazi ya kamati. Kama mimi nataka kuongea hiyo tena leo, iko haja gani ya kamati kukwama? Situwachane na kamati.
Chama cha UDA ilikuwa imetoa, lakini serikali inayotengeneza mbele, kwa sababu mimi nitakuwa kwa hiyo meza. Lazima nitakuwa kwa hiyo meza na nitakondoa macho. Vinoma vibaya sana.
Bono nigera chikobabia ekerekia makia UDM na kirigia UDM birachiko kwana na kweneke buna alionsi akwanire tu asoko igwana uko wekerani gware asenchire ndonge naboigo okoigwana kobe asegatia baraibe kiama ya ODM. Ingo report again Soko TV urasameta ensemo yebunge babasi county ya Kisii Eritariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Omoyega bugo chichangira chikanisa cha PAG meya Nyansange nsemo yebungi ya kitutu cha Cheno the county ya Kisii ritko lya lero nigwaliganirwa n'omujumbe Japheth Nyakundi abarai abo bagosire serikali yobomo bakoragwa na Farouk Kibet muwasiri w'ekiseme Julius Migosi ogamba omo chief whip Silvana Siosoro hegati abarai banda abange bagosire serikali yobomo nigo bikirana ase omoyigo yo ase bagikeire siasa Chibo kabira naboigo siasa ase chisemi unaborki okura chinsemo tibagenda chiskuru chichi national nigo muwasiri Julius Migosi ogamba amona abarai yabo bayiroko boko enkwana yo marai bwense unaborki wa begiredige komibonsi bagenda chiskuru na kurogo tindi gocha ase aborkia bali barache goselia aborkiwa nigo barachi gotumankwa na barabo muri kito Petel Machini na mange
Naso maigabo gochichangira chikanisa cha PAG me yabungia kitutu cha Cheno the county ya Kisii ritkuria rero me chinsemo cha Nyansakia Nomaiga origanetiwe nomochumbe bwe chinseme cho Muske Japheth Nyakundi egati bari abanyako bawikanasa chinseme cho ngamo na Farouk Kibet mwaziri bwe chiseme Muske Julius Migosi ugamba mabunge bwe bunge ya South Mogrango Muske Silvana Susoro mwemerere bwe county ya Kisii na bwigo Nyamira Muske Yerusha Momanyi na bwigo Donya Dori Saburi egati yabo MP bagusire serikali yobomo.
Mheshimiwa Farouk Kibet, nataka kuambia asanti sana. Mheshimiwa waziri wetu asanti sana. Viongozi wote asanti sana kwa sababu mmeshirikiana na sisi katika kujenga makanisa yetu. Kanisa imetuletea shilingi Kanisa imetuletea 129,000 Kenya shillings.
Ukwane kirekio nigo migosi ugambanya kabaga kugikiria anamuna barai bakwamirire serikali ase chinsemo chechisemi ingana ye wokoboko nabarai bonsi aseba irokoboko ogosiro wechisemi engona yayo murai wenzu Mosquira Ruto.
Mtu amesimama mwanaume mwenye yako na akili akasema watoto kama wanatoka Central waende shule Central. Hizi national schools zetu, they are called national for a reason. They belong to the nation. National schools ni nchi mzima. Mtu kama huyo analeta siasa kwa shule, kwa watoto wetu wale wanasoma. Mimi nataka kumwambia hivi, sisi kama serikali hatuwezi kubali mtu yeyote alete siasa katika mashule zetu na katika education sector na katika maneno ya watoto wetu.
Tukipata shilingi 2 na wengine wapata shilingi 2. Wakisii mnakubaliana namna hiyo? Ndio tukue na equality. Uweze tuambia kwamba tusiende alliance na hiyo shule haijajengwa na nyinyi. Imejengwa na taxpayer, imejengwa na pesa ya hao wazazi wakati wanaenda kununua sukari kila kitu kwa duka.
Asingona yae moskemi gosi ugamba niganya kabaga kuru kurrogo tindigo cha sabari mwabani bechi skuru abo barach konyara kababa kwene kingango seri baraba nankyo uchenga kerabata bwati school fees.
Watoto wetu lazima wasome zile shule wanaitwa national. Na tumesema through the directive of His Excellency the President kwamba watoto wote wale wanatoka grade 9 kwenda grade 10 waingie shule hata kama wana uniform, hata kama wana school fees. Sisi tutapanga hiyo maneno. Mwalimu yeyote mwenye atarudisha mtoto nyumbani, huyu mtoto akifika nyumbani, mwalimu naye atoka aende nyumbani.
Asense mwende para yabo bono nigabanya ko bakoboria bagusiko chichamo na kubwati serikali rabisi erina ritoranya ko bawikirani wa magendero ao.
Ama muna relatives uko nje? Nataka mtuwe watu wa kufikiria. Tusidanganywe. Watu wanazunguka hapa. Yaani abantu bako nyogwetana na gage sona. Nsa Kenya sio hapa peke yake. Kenya ni kubwa na watu wako ni wengi.
Jamii ya Omogusi, we are saying it is about time tujitoe katika siasa ya ukabila. Sisi siasa yetu ni siasa tunataka ya maendeleo peke yake. Na hapa Kisii tunakaribisha Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Anytime, yeye ndio rais wetu, hakuna rais mwingine.
Sasa kwa nini mnatuambia tutoke kwa serikali jameni? Na serikali ndio iko na matunda, iko na kila kitu. Jameni, kama si serikali, Faruka angekuwa hapa.
Sobo maoni gabari ya bonsi barireira yo gochkwene kingamba chikomusira Mosquira Ruto asiganga ya yo kurigeta mu ya kabere. Reporteria Ensoko TV kurinyansa kia ebunge kitutu cha North County ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Nenjere moyo kohirere serikali yobo moya beire kego ikirania nigo moske Walter Nyambati oyote nenerete oboenani asichinse mo chirichi chinguru cyomuriro habolire abarayigosire serikali yo marayibwense Dr. William Ruto eliokonyora magendero okwana nabalikimyo mu cyobosongo nigo Nyambati ene kirebuna serikali rabisi nigo yakinirie amangana yoboleme asogoke yali igoriri oboyo na nigo abolire abantu kubeka kiseme cy'abana bosyo asense mayende nigaganirie barayikuru county ya Nyamira obwatese serikali nali baranyale koroseri gwa Chipara ekyo county ya Nyamira etabekiri ase budget
waliye toire chigasi ne serikali ngo support tule mangana magenderero asinga ki se serikali yero anene se bintu binene serikali yakora mangana agriculture mangana bolemi muna moroche mangana fertilizer yarenge eribusaba bonegere 2500 kuna ngakia abalemi bwende konyora eliba meri binyare gukina masawa nyare gukina mangana kisemi mwiguli muna akwanire mangana kisemi muna tubwata mu Minister of Education na wote bwenderete tumo support iliegere sector education nyako genda abana baito aba bakogenda grade 10 bono muna mwigule president yate aba bonse batakere bagende sukuru atware fees atware uniform atwara alipoti sukuru tomya chaka kudina mangana yo na into abarai bali tororo ni goro yaito kuhakikisha buna abana baito bakire sukuru kye gisemne kigenta kanene gisemne kikulaisha na kirakonye kesa kukendi yonse kendi yonse ekenyoro kyo mugusi mangana kisemi kutayobeke bosi na bagusi no mama tena bangaini tole ni goro yaito ko make sure na baito bakinire bali to ire chigas buna wono ndinye semo ya power electricity ni goro yana na incho kuhakikisha nga kero budget estima ekurwanererwa na inje nko hakikisha ndenga gusi yanyorire what it deserves na abachumbe baito ndeko batebina njibuna ndari ase ine sector na wabwende kuntumia basiste asokonyora kuira electricity ase chinsemo kyonsi yabusi kirichitera atwara igomba akira tutagete gotebanga no goro opposition gose gore seki no nyakoro muchumbe ekitokole gasiamo igo ritukoria rero twacha kurigereria twacha ko kweresa kunanga ki serikali development ki serikali mabasabe serikali bachiraiga kweresa na nkigenderete nkitoko konyana ari esto tobwata bokongu kuna tobwata mangane ki para bokongu busi kuna county ya Nyamira etanyora etari in the budget tutabeke iri parende yonse wekatore isigente kito make sure na into tuanyore chipara asensemo ya Nyamira asensemo ya Gusii so nigoro yaito balitore serikali bono to support serikali erororo eri na into anyore magenderero negente kenene na kiro umuntu mu Kenya na entito na magendero
Omutinyo mutangani b'omwaka n'echinga ky'ababwatani b'obochenu bakwira libaga lyogosemia abantu igoro ya kansa yelirara moli gose cervix cancer okwana kora South Mugrango munyagitari Margaret Bosibori Mogaka nigabuli abasubati kwene kyebuna ngolengwa bale kendabu eligwetanga kurwa asokonyoro bureirobo nabo igokonyoro bogwenia asibali babonyorire
ebirero byane no gosorora kwane ntegete ko basorora nkelinga omutinyo yo January ogochikoera nalitoko gikelimo na amangana kansa ya cervix eseke gusito goteba kansa yo morango welirara moli kansa ya cervix lirara omorango oli welirara mol no kansa ye kobera bone gento kia beire gesale rumono bune nas ego shugulikera barwaire mona bakungu babwate kansa ya cervix nelinga atogo chatu abanyora chinga kichimbe chiaelire kwanyora umongino oyo otwali roborwe myake menge tana komanya narwarite igongo kuraga iganga na bera atoke nche na yonye nkwana kogenda kolingoligwa onde tayona kogokunanga kiende yonsi nyagitari aye nkwana gotebanga ndingoli nchecking goseni nimbwate signs cha cancer ye cervix kose even cancer ye breast ekiagere bintu bigoita byitira bakungu abange mono na marwaira mange abarwaire bali bare asechi ward boniga abange na abange babwate cancer ye liraramol cancer ye cervix na cancer yorobere kinko boli abange nambalenga mwalingoli ningende clinic bosaiga-mboli mbalenga kwana kolingoli ku cancer yorobere ondo nako kolingoli mongi note bancho ndeta yona gonkuna ondeta yona komboli ekiagera timanye timbo bakiboro ekiagera serikali yaro yabekire mikakati kere nyaketali kere dispensary ere yanga nkolingoli bare cancer ye breast no monyaketali ogokobwata ako check chimbere chao cancer ye cervix na kolingeli atumie machines lakini bono yatoka nga abange na baita abange bakuoboa atagete komanyanga process ki nko iguba ko bolinga nchera kiago chigompima kakia ino monto monene mama na boko nyetwara iga na bera toke no nyebwate buno lega bono iga lakini nkwana ko kanisa nkorwale kere ekerenyo lire kenda bu mapema abande barwali kubabwena abande barwali kujaba controlled omonto menyo bugima burubya agotebanje ne kanisa waria tubwate mpaka chi support group ebinyoro batebiseti bagotebanje kanisa mbwate yorobere nchene yelirara molimbwate nchene ya prostate mbwate abantu bari free bako na korandia mangana ye kanisa.
Asentu ndende nigo muraibekia magi ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua babwatani bae amona abegeno ba witima ACK imeya uthaya basaganwa amaiga yukuruterwa eberusia marioki chingaki omorobiri bogo sasima ogenderete nanya nabo nigo enibwe tamanyiri yasaligwa sichigari chiaya nabaiga bande gotigerwa chingoma chintindi okwana umuraibekia magi ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua kurasenga yaye ya Wamunyoro nigagikeire gakorekyo na kwerera obwo basoko gosererwa obugima bwae ase chintunda ao
anarusha maya anarusha maya tukienda polisi wanawaita.
Thank you very much for coming, good people from the press. I've called this press briefing after the very violent attack and assassination attempt by government through the Kenya Police Service today in Witima, Othaya, where we had gone for a church service. And I want to correct that media stations earlier reported that attack by unknown people. It is not unknown. This attack was by the police, and we'll give you the details. Let me give the background to these vicious attacks and assassination attempts to take my life by President William Ruto and his rogue administration. After successfully hounding me out of office through bribery of members of parliament and members of the Senate, the president and his administration has attempted to assassinate me several instances. In November 2024, gangs from the Mungiki sect under police escort attacked me in Lemuru viciously and almost killed me. I was saved by the people from the area. Images of those who attacked me have been all over. Since then, nobody has ever been arrested. On December 2024 in Shamata, where I had gone for a Thanksgiving ceremony for the local MCA in Nyandarua, an inspector of police hurled tear gas canister at me to create mayhem and to give room to goons to attack us. Again, members of the public protected us. I reported this incident to the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kaja, who is my neighbor here. Nothing has ever happened. In April 2025, I got information that William Ruto had instructed the DIG, his tribesman, Mr. Langat, to make sure there is no police presence in Mweki Church, where goons had been organized by Governor Sakaja to come and attack me and kill me within a church. Again, members of the public and my security protected me, and the goons did not achieve what they had come to do. Earlier in February, goons and a police escort attacked Pastor Dorcas, my spouse, in Kabuji grounds when she was preaching, where there was a crusade. Again, today, nothing has ever been done. In July, when I was in the United States, my team of Senators Joe Nyuto and John Medho of Nyandarua, Victor Munyaka, the former member of parliament for Machakos Town, were attacked by police with live bullets. This matter was reported to IPOA. Again, no action has ever been taken.
Tinga kecho boigoniga bamiriria be serikali bamuchirie egekore kyuguturubania omusangirekano aseyo kabero mukonyi bumurai bwensi Rigathi Gachagua ali gusasima okwana Kalonzo Musyoka niga muchirie serikali asogutumika chinguru elioko kosereria abamiriria be serikali.
Yeah, I know what you're going to look at. If anything happens to Rigathi Gachagua, William Ruto, you will not have a country. Beginning with yourself. Kwa hivyo nataka nikome hapo. Tafadhali Reverend, tuombee huyu ndugu. Juzi tu tulienda hata kwa nyumba yake wa Munyoro, mke wake ni Reverend Dorcas Gachagua, and we can know what you can imagine what she's going through. And this is not the country we've been wanting to build, and we've tried to build literally brick by brick for democracy, for good governance, to be a respectable nation amongst a community of nations. And now I call on all our international partners to declare William Ruto a pariah head of state.
Higati habarai ni gobesokire na kwigikiria mokonyi bumurai benso mukuru Rigathi Gachagua kubwatikana ni chinkwana chiaye igoro yo muroberio osha okwano muraibu abanga Senate Aaron Cheriot na boigo mugabana bwa county ya Kericho Eric Mutai niko baegereire sha na kwenekia wikirania obokoreri obuya ase chinyagitari.
Mwisho waje nimwambie yule jamaa ambaye tulifuza neno moja pekee yake. Unajua jana mimi nimemsikia akiongea tena tuambia yeye akipata nafasi kuwa naibu wa rais, ya kwanza nifundishe sheria. Nimwambie mtu kama wewe ambaye amekuwa impeached, hakuna kiti unaweza pata Kenya hii, hata chairman ya Cattle Dip, sheria hairuhusu wewe kuchaguliwa. Kwa hiyo sababu hiyo ndio yake. Ya pili, nimwambie kwamba SHA sisi tulipiga msasa vizuri wakati tulikuja bungeni. Hapa Maemba wakati tunazungumza, hii dispensary ya Maemba kupitia mfumo wa SHA tayari, kwa sababu wananchi wanakuja hapa na wanapata usaidizi, wameshapata milioni 1 as compensation for services ambayo imekuja kwa wananchi. Wakati NHIF ilikuwa, kuna siku NHIF ilitoa pesa hapa, hakuna siku hata moja. Kwa hiyo sisi tunasema we appreciate the progress that is being made in the health sector. Now anybody that is dreaming kwamba they can roll back the gains that have been made out of SHA, out of affordable housing, you are daydreaming and you don't live in the reality of the 21st century. Na wale mimi nashangaa sana naibu wa rais. Mimi ndio tupitisha sheria ya SHA na affordable housing kwa bunge. Ule mwenye alitupatia hiyo progress kutoka kwa cabinet ilikuwa Rigathi Gachagua. Sasa mimi nashangaa, ilikuwa mzuri sasa hiyo ulikuwa naibu wa rais kutoka hiyo unatuambia ni mbaya. Wewe acha kutuchezea bwana.
I want to speak to Rigathi here that as the governor of this county, Maemba dispensary here last week received 1.2 million Kenya shillings. As governors of this county, we are advising Rigathi Gachagua and his team to stop battling lies, to stop battling stories, to stop telling people falsehood that SHA is not working. SHA is working across the county. In fact, as the county government of Kericho, through SHA, we were able to receive 72 million in the last dispatchment. NHIF could not have dispatched that. And that is why His Excellency the President and yourself have steered this country in the right direction. And you know under SHA that ultimately we are going to get to Singapore under the leadership of yourself and that of His Excellency the President.
Omonene wa waziri Musalia Mudavadi nigo aikirana sensema ya KICC iligosanga na abagenwa okwana nigo amurikire michandense ya Kenya egendete gwetera ase chinsemo niga nekebuna kubwatikana no murakero enekirigwe asige kabono nigo gwetania abantu 2.5 bagendete gwetera amakongo watkana no kubora kwa mache na boigo endagera nanya nabo chinse chinde buna Somalia, Tanzania na boigo Uganda niko babwate omochando ongabuno ye kanisa bona nigo yaboligwe obasira eligokora omochando yo.
Fellow Kenyans, currently
Some parts of our country and the region are facing devastating drought, occasioned by the shortest rainfall recorded in recent times. An estimated 2.5 million citizens are at risk of severe hunger and water scarcity if the drought persists. The National Drought Management Authority reports that 10 counties, mainly in North and Eastern Kenya, are experiencing drought, with Mandera in the critical alarm phase. Neighboring countries, Somalia, Tanzania, and Uganda, are also facing similar conditions, putting millions at risk. Therefore, as we seek special prayers for those affected by drought, we urge religious organizations to continue supporting the government's humanitarian and food security efforts. Furthermore, I ask for special prayers and goodwill support for our first cohort of senior secondary learners under the competency-based curriculum, CBC, as they adjust to their new learning environment and stage of education. And indeed, this was also flagged by the judiciary. Ongoing conflicts within our region continue to forcefully displace populations, resulting in profound human suffering and worsening humanitarian crisis. In Sudan, over 12 million people have been displaced, with over 9 million internally displaced persons and an estimated 4 million seeking refuge in neighboring countries. Addressing this humanitarian crisis requires coordinated regional and global action, including support from religious groups and the private sector.
Mwancho mulia goikera abo no toko ikera mwailio hobo kumurikira amangana maya asobotko bwarero tumirane chinga kichinde kerenya sara nchengo kuganilio botko borobi ya kegima ili nenkerubo Frida ni gotobwate na Barnabas Sondari na boigo Doreen Kemuto toskare ndia kwegokeria mirobilio yigeta seni gensoko.